My dear students, a very good day to all of you. Due to some faults in my whiteboard, I cannot whiteboard today. In so today I will take the lecture on the coffee. So my topic today, what I choose is the aldol condensation reaction, a very important topic for the students who will appear for any state board exam, any central board exam, or any other entrance exam after 10 plus 2. Okay, so let's start. And before starting, I must request all my students, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, I will be motivated and I must present further important classes in chemistry. Okay, and one more thing, if you want today's class note, please write in the comment section. I will forward you the note with free of cost. Okay, so let's start and let's concentrate on the copy. So aldol condensation reaction, today's example is the aldol condensation reaction. So basically, at first, what I must say, the what is aldol, what is, I must write, what is aldol. You should know what is aldol. So the name itself emphasizes aldol. Aldol means aldehyde plus alcohol. Aldehyde plus alcohol. That means after combination, these two terms gives aldol. Okay, aldehyde and alcohol. So now the aldehyde functional group we all know is CHO, and the OH functional group we all know this OH, alcoholic functional group OH, and aldehydic functional group is the CHO. So what is the respective position of CHO and OH in the aldol? So I must write what is the respective position of CHO and OH group in an aldol compound. So basically the answer will be, what will be the answer? Basically the aldol compounds, basically the aldol compounds are beta, I must write first, then I will explain, beta hydroxy alcohol, beta hydroxy aldehyde, beta hydroxy aldehyde. So all the aldol compounds are basically beta hydroxy aldehyde. Okay, so let's start an example, and I must explain what is the beta. So CH3 CHO CH2 CHO. So is it an aldol compound? Is it an aldol compound? At first, the compound contains an OH group and a aldehyde group. The compound contains an aldehyde functional group and an alcoholic functional group. That means the compound contains an aldehydic functional group and an alcoholic functional group. Okay, and the alcoholic functional group, and the aldehydic functional group are respective. So the look, this is the aldehydic functional group. So among, in my previous class I discussed among the aldehydic functional group and the alcoholic functional group, aldehydic functional group precedes over the alcoholic functional group. So the carbon atom, this carbon atom with which the alcoholic functional group is attached, so is known as alpha carbon atom. This is the alpha carbon atom. Why this is alpha carbon atom? Because with this carbon atom, aldehydic functional group, that is this part, this is the aldehydic functional group is attached with the carbon atom. So it is the alpha carbon atom, and the very next position is will be beta. So look, so in beta position, in beta carbon, the OH functional group is attached. That means this is the beta hydroxyaldehyde. So number 2, the OH, the position of OH functional group is beta to the aldehydic functional group. So the compound fulfills the two criteria. The compounds fulfill the two criteria. So this compound is known as aldol compound. This compound is known as aldol compounds. Okay, and so the compound is CH3, CH, OH, CH2. So what will be the IUPAC nomenclature? So you should write numbering the carbon atom. So numbering of the carbon atom must include the CHO carbon. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. So at position 3 and OH functional group is attached. So it is, and the OH functional group here acts as secondary functional group, because here the aldehydic functional group will be the primary functional group. So 3 hydroxy, total number of carbon 4. So it will be 3 hydroxy butanal or beta hydroxy butanal. So it is an aldol. Okay. So such type of compounds containing a beta. So the compounds. So basically the aldehydes containing an OH group at beta carbon atom is known as aldol. So what is an aldol? Definition. What will be the definition? The aldehydes containing an OH or alcoholic functional group at beta carbon atom of that aldehyde are known as aldol. This is the basic definition of aldol compounds. So in our next class we will see how the aldol compounds are formed. In our next class we will see how the aldol compounds are formed, and with this connection I must discuss one more